back to Gurudeva Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan HM, 4th period, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Yes, all of you open on page 78 and concentrate exercise 4.2 problems. So, in this period, we will start exercise 4.2. 4.2, all problem belongs to in your notes. Okay, observe here, I have marked on the board. This question belongs to notes, and also second question, fourth question, fifth question belongs to notes. Yes. First question. Classify the following curves as open curve and also closed curve. Dear children, here are pictures. Here are pictures. We need to classify. We need to bifurcate which are belongs to closed figure, which are belongs to open figure. Observe here. You should know the definition of open figure and closed figure. Okay, dear children, this is open figure because it starts from one point and ends at another point. This is what open figure. Dear children, which is the open figure? This is question number first, sub question 2, sub question 3, sub question 4. This is 5, fifth sub question. Yes. Question number, sub question 1 belongs to which figure? Yes, this figure belongs to open. This is first one is open. Next, any another open figures? Yes, here it is. Third sub question is also open figure. Just you may write, mark out the question number. Okay, draw a picture and below the picture put your answer. Okay, dear children. Yes. Any another open figure? Yes, no open figure. Now concentrate closed figure. What is closed figure? The picture, the point starts from one point and ends at the same point. That is closed figure. Dear children, second one is closed figure, fourth one is closed figure, fifth one also closed figure. Just point out the question number, second one, come on, fourth one, sorry, here it is, fourth one, come on, next, fifth one. These three are belongs to closed figure. Okay, this is solution of or answer of question number 1. Next question. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. A, open figure. B, question is closed figure. Observe here, open figure. Draw any open figure. Yes, I will draw. Dear children, please use a pencil while you are drawing a open figure, closed figure. Okay. This is the example of open figure, and we need to illustrate. Illustrate is nothing but why it is open figure. Just you may write below. It is the example of. It is the example of open figure. Open figure or open curve. Open curve or open figure or open picture, no problem. Open figure because starting point is differ than ending point. Sorry, differ from ending point. It means starting point and ending point is differ. The starting point and ending point not closer. That's why the given figure is called as open figure. And another one is closed figure. Closed figure or closed curve. Closed curve. Yes. This is the example. This is the example of closed curve because it is the example of closed curve or closed picture as you wish, because starting point is end with starting point is end with ending point. Ending point means closed figure. Okay, the starting point is end with the same point. End with the same point. Starting point is end with the same point. That's why the given picture is called closed picture or closed curve. Are you clear, dear children? You made a different picture, no problem at all. Okay, these two are just examples. So you must write this answer in notebook. This is belongs to notebook. Okay, yes. Let us move about fourth question. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Dear children, draw any polygon. Just I have explained different polygons. Triangle, quadrilateral. Okay, next pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. Okay, you may choose anyone. I'll choose hexagon. Hexa is nothing but 6 line segments. Okay, yes, let us draw 6 line segments. Draw any polygon. It is also hexagon, is also one of the polygon. Dear children, please use pencil while you are drawing a polygons. Hexagon. I'm going to draw hexagon. Hexa is nothing but 6. Penta 5. Okay. Pentagon means 5 line segments. Hexagon 6 line segments. Okay. You should be able to say the examples of polygons. I hope it's clear. Yes, it is hexagon because 6 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give you name A, B, C, D, E, F. And I request you don't give here is A, here is B, C, D, E, F. It's not a wrong, but it seems not good. That is not wrong. Point to be noted, that is not wrong, but it not seems good. Okay, that's why you may give clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction as you wish. Okay, yes, this is the example of polygon, and we need to shade. Draw a polygon and shade its interior. There are 3 parts in a given polygon: interior, on the boundary, and exterior. Exterior is nothing but out of the polygon. I mean out of the region. This is what region. Inside the part called as region. Just you may shade by the help of pencil. Be careful while you are shading because there is a chance to tear a paper. Shade properly. Okay. Yes. Then shade properly. Okay. This is what complete answer of the given question. The third question. Okay. Yes. Let us move fourth one. Consider the given figure and answer the question. First question: is it a curve? second question, is it closed? Yes, here is a picture. Observe picture and answer the given question. The first question is it a curve? Yes, of course, it is a curve. Yes, the first question, yes, it is a curve. Yes, what is the second question? Is it closed? Yes, of course, it has closed. B answer is it is closed. So the finally the answer completed. Okay, dear children, and be careful while you're shading a paper, while you're shading a polygon. Okay, there is a chance to tear your paper, and be careful while you're answering. Be aware about the spell and also question. Clear, dear children? Yes, the last question. Fifth question. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Yes, the first question is a closed curve that is not a polygon. Yes, you should know the definition of polygon. Polygon is nothing but it is formed by the help of the line segment. But what is the condition here? Closed curve that is not a polygon. Observe here the first one. The first answer is, see, this is example of first answer, because it is not a polygon but it has closed, because starting point is here. It is not a polygon but it has closed. This is the answer. You may draw one more picture, no problem. It is also example of closed picture and it is not a polygon. Okay, dear children, next question. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. Yes, open curve and it must be line segments. Yes, second question. T. All of you use pencil, okay? The T is a example of curve. That open curve. T is an example of open curve and it is formed by help of a line segment. And you may draw one more. They asked only one, but you may draw one more, no problem. M. M is also open curve. It is formed by the help of a line segment. Okay, dear children. Yes. Last one is why it is open curve? Because the starting point and ending point are not in the same point. That's why it is a open curve. Okay. Next one is, see, a polygon with two sides. A polygon with two sides. Does it possible? Of course, it is not possible. Just we have discussed about polygons in the concept of polygons. By the help of the two line segment, it is highly impossible to draw polygons. So, it is not possible. Just you may write an answer. It is not possible. It is not possible. Are you clear, dear children? Yes, this is all about exercise 4.2 problems. In the next video, let us discuss about angles. Until practice once again, draw once again in a rough pace. It helps a lot. Have a nice day. Thank you.